Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use Exness. So in order to use an Exness application, all you have to do is first of all install it. So for that you need to go to your Play Store or an App Store, and from there you need to install the application. So in my case I've already installed, and once the application is completely installed you need to create an account. So basically creating an account is no difficult process. All you have to do is just provide in that has been asked, such as your personal information, your contact details, and you need to verify your account. That's it, and you have successfully created your account. But when you've actually created your account, the verification process is one of the important steps, as without verifying your account you'll not be able to trade on any sort of crypto app. So once the verification has been completed, then you'll begin with the trading process. So here you can see this is the interface, how it's going to look like. So right on top you have this option as deposit, which indicate that you can actually deposit the amount or transfer the funds and add it to your Exness balance. And along with that, if you have any sort of asset, then you can withdraw it or transfer it to funds, and you can withdraw it from your bank account, debit card, whatsoever. And in order to check your history or your notification or your transaction or your details, you need to go to the history and you'll be able to find the options. And likewise you can see right at the bottom there are multiple tools such as account, trade, market, performance, and profile. So if you want to trade on Exness, you have to go to the trading tab, and from there you need to select what sort of asset you would like to trade. And similarly, if you want to know about the market price and all that, you need to go to the market, and from here you'll be notified what sort of asset are currently running in the market and all that. Likewise, you can go to the performances, which indicate that your information or your trading platform here. Last one, which is the profile. So over here you'll be able to see all of the information like your password, your account information, email address associated with it, your transaction, and all that. So that's basically how you can use your Exness account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.